Hello dear visitor, in this video I am going to show you how to repair your Windows 10 and fix error code. So let's start. First go to your PC and click on the right button, go to the properties, choose the tools option. Now click on the check, scan your drive. If you think your Windows have any error code, then click on the scan drive. It will be take some time. Okay, our drive was successfully scanned. Look, there have no error were found. So currently my drive does not have any errors. You can fix your errors when you will be found on your drive by this way. Okay, if you find any error, just click on the automatic repair option and click on the next. After some time later your drive will be successfully fixed your error. Thanks for watching my video.